Reflecting upon in the sound of the birds at noon, I find myself reflecting on the tension between inner desires and external realities. The protagonist's longing for freedom and connection with nature speaks to a universal yearning for peace amidst life chaos. The bird's sound symbolizes a fleeting escape, reminding me of the importance of quiet moments in finding balance. From a psychoanalytical perspective, the story explores the protagonist's subconscious conflict between repressed desires and societal expectations. The birds represent an unconscious longing for liberation and self expression. The protagonist's internal struggle reveals deeper fears of isolation and conformity. The story's focus on sensory experience reflects how the psyche seeks meaning and freedom through unconscious symbols and desires.